For coffee lovers who are passionate about every cup they brew, this T-Mark pour-over coffee maker delivers a simple yet premium experience. Combining the art of manual brewing with user-friendly features, this coffee dripper is designed for anyone who values quality and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned coffee connoisseur or just looking for a better way to enjoy your daily cup of joe, this 800 ml 27-aughts pour-over coffee maker is a perfect fit. With a BPA-free borosilicate glass carafe and a reusable double-layer stainless steel filter, the T-Mark coffee maker sets itself apart from traditional brewers. It's an eco-friendly choice that ensures the best flavors with each brew, and its design is crafted for those who want a blend of durability, aesthetics, and ease of use. Let's take a closer look at why the T-Mark pour-over coffee maker is the perfect addition to your kitchen. The heart of the T-Mark coffee maker is its durable borosilicate glass carafe. Borosilicate glass is renowned for its high resistance to heat and cold, making it the perfect material for a coffee maker that can handle extreme temperatures. This glass doesn't absorb odors or chemical residues, ensuring that every cup of coffee tastes pure and fresh. The BPA-free construction is a major plus for health-conscious users, providing peace of mind that your brew is free of harmful chemicals. The elegant carafe comes with precise measurement markings that allow you to brew like a pro. Whether you're making a single cup or filling the entire 27-aughts capacity, these markings help ensure consistent results, cup after cup. The clear glass design also lets you watch the brewing process, adding an element of craftsmanship to your coffee routine. Say goodbye to paper filters. The T-Mark pour-over coffee maker includes a reusable double-layer stainless steel filter, which not only saves money, but also helps reduce waste. This eco-friendly option is perfect for anyone looking to lower their environmental impact without sacrificing the quality of their coffee. The stainless steel filter ensures that the oils from the coffee beans make it into your cup, delivering a richer, more flavorful brew compared to paper-filtered coffee. The filter is designed with a double-layer mesh, which effectively prevents coffee grounds from falling into your brew. This ensures a smooth and clean cup of coffee every time. Plus, the heat-resistant silicone collar around the filter protects your hands from burns, making it safe and comfortable to use even when brewing multiple cups. The T-Mark coffee maker has a generous capacity of 27-aughts, 800 milliliters, allowing you to brew up to 6 cups of coffee in one go. This makes it an excellent choice for both solo coffee drinkers who want to enjoy a few cups throughout the day, and for sharing with family, friends, or guests. Whether you're hosting a brunch or simply need a bigger batch of coffee for your morning routine, the T-Mark coffee maker has you covered. Despite its large capacity, the compact design ensures it doesn't take up too much counter space. Its lightweight construction also makes it portable, so you can easily bring it to your office, on camping trips, or even use it at social gatherings. One of the standout features of the T-Mark pour-over coffee maker is its easy cleaning process. The carafe and stainless steel filter are dishwasher safe, which means less hassle for you after enjoying your coffee. Unlike traditional coffee machines that require frequent deep cleaning, the T-Mark pour-over coffee maker is designed to be easily cleaned and maintained. Simply rinse the carafe and filter after each use, or toss them in the dishwasher for a more thorough clean. This ease of cleaning extends the lifespan of your coffee maker while ensuring that each cup of coffee is brewed in a clean environment, enhancing the overall taste and quality of your brew. Looking for the perfect gift for a coffee lover? The T-Mark pour-over coffee maker is an ideal choice. With its premium design and user-friendly features, it's a gift that's both practical and thoughtful. Whether for a birthday, holiday, or just as a surprise for someone special, this coffee maker is a great addition to any kitchen. Not only is it perfect for brewing coffee, but its elegant glass design makes it suitable for serving other beverages, such as tea or cold brew. It's a versatile tool that will be appreciated by anyone who loves great-tasting coffee. Why the T-Mark pour-over coffee maker is worth buying. The T-Mark pour-over coffee maker offers the perfect balance between quality, convenience, and eco-friendliness. Its BPA-free borosilicate glass and reusable stainless steel filter deliver exceptional brewing results without compromising on safety or sustainability. Whether you're a coffee aficionado looking for a more hands-on brewing experience, or someone who just wants a better tasting cup of coffee, this pour-over coffee maker fits the bill. If you're searching for a versatile and eco-friendly coffee maker that delivers both quality and convenience, the T-Mark pour-over coffee maker is the perfect investment for your coffee routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.